Hey guys, welcome back to MR English Diaries, where learning English is very easy. Today we're going to show you that airport English is actually super easy, like really easy.
Exactly. If you get nervous at airports, don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say, from check-in to boarding.
So are you ready? Let's make airport English simple, like talking to a friend. Grab your passport and let's go.
First stop, the check-in counter. Many beginners get confused here, but it's actually very simple.
Picture this. You walk to the counter. The staff smiles and says, "Good morning. Can I have your passport and ticket, please?"
All you say is, "Good morning, here's my passport and ticket." Easy, right?
Then they ask, "Do you have any luggage to check?" You answer,
Yes, I have one suitcase to check in. Or, no, I only have hand luggage.
and remember, always say please and thank you. It makes everything smooth.
Yep, don't just say one bag. That sounds rude. Always make a full sentence.
Next, security check, the most stressful part for many people.
But don't panic. The security staff usually say, please put your bags on the belt and remove your laptop.
And you reply, "Sure," or "Here you go."
If they ask, do you have any liquids? Say, yes, I have a small bottle of water. Or, no, I don't have any liquids.
Clear, short, calm. That's the key.
Now imagine you can't find your gate. Airports can be huge.
Don't just walk around confused. Ask. Say, "Excuse me, where is gate 12?" Or, "Can you help me find the boarding area for flight 201?"
And if you don't understand their answer, just ask nicely. Sorry, could you repeat that, please? Or, I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you show me on the map?
Also use gestures. Point at your ticket. It helps a lot.
May I see your boarding pass?
You say, "Here's my boarding pass. Thank you."
If they ask about bags, yes, I have this backpack. Or, no, just this small bag.
And a simple, friendly line, "Have a nice flight," always sounds good.
On the plane, a flight attendant might ask, can I help you with your bag?
You say, "Yes, please. Thank you."
If you want to move seats, you can ask, excuse me, is this seat taken? Or, could I move to a window seat?
Small phrases, big confidence.
Mistake number 1, using very short phrases. Passport? No, that sounds rude.
Correct way. "Here's my passport. Thank you."
Mistake number 2, giving too much detail. Don't say, my water is half full and I bought it from... No, just say, yes, I have a small bottle of water. Mistake number 3, speaking too fast. Slow is good. Calm is good.
Quick game. I give situation. James gives answer. Situation 1. Staff asks, "Do you have luggage to check?"
Yes, I have one suitcase to check in. Situation 2, you're lost. Excuse me, where is gate 12? Gate 12 is over there to your left.
See? Easy. Anyone can say these lines.
Tips for you. Speak slowly. Use please and thank you. Use hand gestures. Ask again if you don't understand. Practice before your trip.
And remember, confidence is more important than perfect English.
So that's it. Airport English is actually very simple.
Practice these phrases, and next time you travel, you'll feel confident.
We have more travel English videos coming. Hotels, taxis, restaurants, emergencies, everything you need.
Like the video if it helped you, subscribe for more easy English, and share with your friends.
And comment your favorite airport phrase below.
Thanks for watching. Safe travels.